County, Greene, Pennsylvania, and Marshall, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monroe County and east central Ohio, southwestern Greene County and southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, western Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cameron to near Pavin City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Martinsville, Mannington, Pavin City, Cameron, Pine Grove, Fairview, 100, Jacksonburg, Grand Town, Sardis, Farmington, and Aleppo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.